Thieaudio has today released a flagship Thieaudio earphone. Now, this is their Monarch Mark III. Their Monarch Mark III will continue the success of their Monarch series. The thing here is that it's a bit expensive. You're looking at $1,000. Not everyone can easily afford to pay $1,000 for an earphone, but this is the new latest and greatest that you can actually get right now from Thieaudio. It's not even too crazy expensive, especially when you look at other companies' flagship earphones. This is still expensive, but it is not on the craziest level of expense. It's still good. I like what I see. It comes with two EST drivers, 4 balanced armature drivers, and the funny thing is that it comes with 2 dynamic drivers, so this will have potency in the low end as well. Now, the major thing we look at is the I would say the build quality. The build quality on it is wonderful. It has the fact, at least it has the fact that the Sonion electrostatic drivers can handle the ultra treble output very well. That's one thing that they're pushing, that the ultra treble is really at least handled very well with this unit. Another thing you look at is the tonality. It does also have a very balanced tonality to it. It's good in that regard. Very balanced sound in this respect. It's a very good unit. It's a very good earphone. It comes with a very massive cable that can have swappable plugs as well for your digital audio players, depending on what you use. The company claims that what you get in terms of tuning is balanced tonality. With this model, the tonality will be neutral from what they're saying. I don't know how well it will perform bass wise, but if they're already recommending buyers to know that this is more or less a neutral set, I don't know whether even that 2 dynamic drivers will still give people that crazy bass that they may be looking for. Another thing is that they have 110mm subwoofer driver in here, so it really has a lot of impact. So this is something that they've worked on, and that's why they're releasing it for a lot of people right now to get their hands on. It's a very good unit. I think it will be competitive. The only thing is the price tag. $1,000 is not cheap. Most people might look at the price to see if it's something that they can afford, but if you can get your hands on it, Thieaudio is a very trusted brand. They've been consistent over the years. Even from the graph here, you can see the bass is very much elevated, so there is a chance that the bass will be strong on this earphone. It looks like a balanced set from the tuning I'm seeing with this particular graph. There is a bit of an extension in the treble, but you normally will get that with EST driver earphones. They tend to get that treble up a bit, so you get a lot of detail. But regardless, I think this is going to be a good unit. If you guys like it, I'll drop a link to where you can get it. If you care about it, do check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. Do follow us here on YouTube. I'll drop all details that you need, so do check it out. I'll see you guys very much next